Welcome to Pew Class. In Pew Class, we talk about PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the red bell subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. Thank you. Welcome back to Pew Class. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to use the VLOOKUP on more than one workbook. From two workbooks and above, how do you use VLOOKUP? So in this case, on my screen, you can see there are two workbooks here, book 2 and book 3. So I displayed it in one interface so that you can be able to see what I'm doing. So I want to look at how to use VLOOKUP. So on the first workbook, we have the names of the people who came to write the exams. We have the subjects. So we want to look up physics scores in the second workbook. So in the second workbook, we want to get the physics score and put it in the first workbook. So all you need to do is to come to this first workbook, click on it, and you click on equals to VLOOKUP. I'm going to make this video very fast. VLOOKUP. Then we want to look up the names in the second column. So in the second workbook, comma. So you go to the second workbook and click on the table array. So you select the table array in the second workbook. Once you select the table array, okay, so select the table array in the second workbook. Select the table array. If you select the table array, you're going to see what is writing here. So once you select the table array, you click on comma. Okay, once you select the table, you don't need to press F4. In this case, automatically done for you. Look at it. So book 3 is telling you that this table array is from where? Book 3, sheet 1. Look at it. Book 3, sheet 1. So after that, you type in comma. The next thing is to put in 0. No, the next thing is to put in physics is colon 6, right? Physics is in colon 6. So you type in 6, comma. Then they ask if you want the approximate match or the exact match. Obviously, we want the exact match. We want the exact score for the students in physics. So you have to type in 0, or you click on false. So if you click on false, or you type in 0, close the bracket and hit on enter. So you get the score of that student, of that individual. You can double click. Once you double click, it gives you the result of other individual. So this is basically how to work with more than one workbook. So that is it. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly hit the red subscribe button and also give the video a like. If you have a question, drop it down in the comment section and I will be glad to respond to you. So if you have not seen the video about basic of VLOOKUP, how to use VLOOKUP in when you're working with two worksheets, and how to use VLOOKUP when you're working with one worksheet and two tables, so I'll leave it in the description below and also on top of the video you're watching currently. So please subscribe to the channel and see you next time. In the next video, we're going to talk about other ways of how to use the VLOOKUP function. Thank you.